Hi, welcome to Flow with Sky. Today we're going to do an Eagle Flow warm-up. Let's get to it. Kneeling on our knees, sinking our hips back towards our heels, wrapping right arm underneath the left, eagle bind, hand to hand, or maybe give yourself a hug. Inhale, reach your arms up and back. Exhale, crunch, curl your elbows into your chest. Inhale, lift. Exhale, crunch. Moving with the breath, inhale, reach up and back. Exhale, crunch it in. This time, inhale, lift. Press your hips forward, taking a slight back bend here. Exhale, curl. Inhale, reach up and back, press your hips forward. Squeeze your glutes, exhale, crunch. Elbows towards knees, sink your hips back. Inhale, reach up, last one, biggest one yet. Exhale, crunch it in. This time, taking our bow tie pose, extending the bottoms of your hands out. Tipping your weight forward, stretching through the shoulders, taking a few deep breaths here. You're almost done. Gently unwinding the arms, find your tabletop. Patter out your feet, circle out the ankles, and then tuck your toes, sink your hips back. Screaming toe pose, stretching out through the bottoms of your feet. Placing your hands on your lap, rolling your shoulders down and back. And then taking your eagle bind, left arm goes underneath. Reach your arms up and back. Exhale, crunch it in. Inhale, lift your arms up and back. Take a back bend. Exhale, curl it in. Inhale, lift. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, reach up and back. Press your hips forward. Exhale, curl it in. Sink your hips back. Inhale, lift your arms up and back. Press your hips forward. Exhale, crunch it in. Last one, biggest one yet. Inhale, lift and reach. Exhale, crunch it in, gently finding your bow tie pose, extending your arms out in opposite directions. Just like you're giving yourself a little bow tie with those arms. You can press your hips further forward to deepen this stretch, or maybe shift your weight back to back off a bit. Gently releasing, taking a cow and then a cat, neutralizing the spine, press your hips back, child's pose. Thank you so much for joining me. This was Flow with Sky. I hope you enjoyed this warm-up. Catch you next week. Bye.